What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am going to be doing another Halloween transformation. This will be the last one for my channel, and I know this video is late. I promised it would be out on Monday, but unfortunately it's now Tuesday and I'm recording. So I'm planning to have this out for Friday, and if I do, great. If not, sorry about it. But this will be the last Halloween video on the channel, and we're going to be doing this look over here that I did last year. And yeah, without further ado, let's beat this mug. in editing, I just realized that I didn't actually shoot an outro video with the completed look, so I am going to post some pictures at the end of this, just after I'm finished talking here, so you can see the completed look. All I've done from this point is added some lashes, and I've gone in and done some minor detailing, a little bit of highlighter, yeah, and some contour. I honestly can't believe I did that, but I was in a rush and I wasn't feeling good on Tuesday when I shot this, so alas, it happens, I guess. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and also check out our merch shop below. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments and I will get back to them as soon as possible. But yeah, so that wraps up my Halloween looks for this channel for this year, and yeah, now we can get back to doing regular drag videos. So let me know what you want to see, and I'll get those out as soon as possible. Peace.